Hi, I'm Kathy,
And I'm Randy, and we're from Jerseyville, Illinois.
and we had the CLR procedure in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. My vision growing up, I had pretty good vision until I reached about 40 years old, and then I had trouble reading.
I started getting bad vision at 12 years old and went from glasses to contacts to my now youthful age of 67. When we first walked into the office here at Brinton, I was overwhelmed at how meticulous the place was, how nice it was, and what a warm welcome we got from the staff.
Yes, definitely. It's first class all the way. Beautiful offices, very clean, friendly atmosphere. Just felt totally comfortable from the start. The patient care is absolutely superior. We always felt like we were number one when we're here. Very friendly from the initial consultation to the follow-up to the day of surgery and other follow-up visits since. It's just been first class.
100% happy.
My surgery experience was wonderful. Very easy, very quick, painless. It was awesome.
Personally, mine was very quick, I thought. No pain, no anything. I mean, it was a very relaxed atmosphere, no problems whatsoever. We were in and out a few hours, and after that first day, we're 110% glad that we went through with it.
My vision now is extremely good. I can see at a distance, I can read close up. I don't need glasses or readers. It's just wonderful.
I think it's still a work in progress. They seem to get better all the time. I hate to say that. I'm pretty sure by the time we're done, we're going to be like Superman. We're going to be able to see through walls. The biggest thing for me is we go somewhere, a weekend or a trip, hey, I don't have to pack up glasses, contacts, solution. I just throw stuff in a bag and go.
Yeah, and for me, honestly, I dealt with headaches a lot because of the glasses on the bridge of my nose, and so not having to worry about that, not having to worry about cleaning them, it's just wonderful.
She was funny because every time I looked over, she's either pushing her glasses up or pulling them down. So I know she's relieved of that.
There's just so many benefits that, not having to worry about them, cleaning them, and so on.
The best part, I fall asleep with the TV on, wake up half hour later, I can see the TV. I would absolutely tell anybody that wears contacts or glasses, hey, go down and talk to the people at Brinton and see what you feel. There's no obligation, and maybe we had a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but I think you'll find it the same for yourself.
I would tell them to call Brinton today. It's really a great experience, and you have nothing to lose.
I'd tell them, made her look like J-Lo. No, just kidding.